There's the U.S. Embassy. I had a hard time finding the flag. This is all the security here. Aha, that's to check the underside of the vehicles that are going up here. This is kind of Embassy Row. They're checking them out. Entrance to the garden. Italian-style Baroque terrace garden was built between 1750 and 1720. 1575, this looked quite different. It was an aristocratic home. Beautiful garden. And the aroma is nice. Must be from those roses.
It's a dog meadows. There's a cat.
This person is fighting a dragon. Instead of fire coming out of the dragon's mouth, we have water. So this is an aviary. Someone noticed the birds inside.
They all get along. This family came, the family Vrtba, it was just a rough slope with vineyard on it. And the task that the architect was given is to make a proper formal Baroque garden on the site of the former vineyard. Because Baroque architecture, as well as the garden architecture, has to follow certain rules.
Here's the covered patio. Well, I made it up one level. There's 2 or 3 more levels. I'm not going there. This is beautiful. And it's so quiet. This is the back side of the Hotel Aria, and the windows face this beautiful little park. And the other side, the front of the hotel, was on the street with the embassies that we saw a little bit ago. Built in 1611, early Baroque. Architecture is modest and plain. Was built for German Lutherans, Protestants. However, in 1620, the Bohemian Protestants were defeated by the Roman Catholic Habsburgs, and the Lutherans were expelled. The church is famous for its statuette of the infant Jesus, originally from Spain and donated to the Carmelites in 1628. The infant Jesus has 2 crowns and about 100 robes. His vestments are changed about 10 times a year, according to the church calendar. Pretty ornate. This is the Ministry of Culture, this embassy, and then the Japanese down here somewhere. Fake old vehicles are electric. Again, this is a Maltese church. It's a Knights of St. John of Jerusalem. Came to Prague in the middle of the 12th century. Lenin Wall. It's covered with more artistic graffiti. Watermill here that's operating.
Some canoes are, I don't know what is happening here. Maybe because I know what is happening. They are tied to the, with chains, but they have released a lot of water from the dams because of the rainfall that we have had in the last week.
This is an artificial island.
So the level of the water
Garbage.
even
It
here
built
is
up and they covered it up, made an island, and
And
here
it's
it
just
is.
the wheel is lovely.
The floods here, and here's a marker that shows how high it was. We just came from up those stairs. We're on the St. Charles Bridge. We have St. Norbert, 1080 to 1134, patron saint of Bohemia and a patron of pregnant women and unborn children. St. Wenceslas, 903 to 929, was never a king, but he tried to convert the pagans to Christianity. And St. Sigismund, 475 to 523, is a martyred king of Burgundy. Part of his body is buried in the St. Vitus Cathedral in Prague. Some beautiful buildings over here on this side of the river, including our hotel. It's right down there someplace. 1928 to 1938.
Or Sunday afternoon. Then, however, the army took over, World War II started, and the Nazis came in. The Nazis came in, and this turned into something very different, okay? Instead of having tea dances, this was a place where men danced with women of another sort. And there were actually gunfights in here. When they were doing the renovations, they found a bullet in the ceiling, okay? So it was, and that was the way during the war and also to some extent into communism.